Hello everybody and welcome back to the Riche Life. I'm shooting on location today from my second momcation of the year. You guys know how I feel about those. I'm in Pasadena, California at the Mom 2.0 Summit, and today's episode is all about the 5 mom friends you need in your life and the 5 mom friends you don't. I was very fortunate to learn early on in my mom life the distinction between the two, so I'm sharing my best tips with you today. Whether you're a new mom or a more seasoned mom and you need to do a little reshuffling in your mom friend life, that's totally cool too. I'm here to cover all of that for you. So first up is the Sage. She is the mom friend we all need in our lives who's been there, done that, and can school us on everything. She doesn't judge, she's just there to help you live your best mom life too. Next up is the Ace. She's the mom friend we all need in our lives to keep it totally real, with no judgment. You can go through thick and thin with her, you can laugh with her, cry with her, go on momcations with her, and you can be yourself with her. Again, no judgment, and we all need that in our lives. Next up is the protege or mentee. She's the mom friend we all need in our lives who's not as experienced as we are, but who we can help. Even though we may not feel like we have it all together, I promise you there's someone else coming behind you who definitely doesn't have it together, and you need to be the friend for her like the Sage is the friend for you in your life. Next up is the walking Wiki, as in Wikipedia. She is the friend you use instead of Google. All right, when you want to find something out and you don't have the time to research it, call your friend because I guarantee you she knows it. All right, and last but not least, we all need a social butterfly mom friend in our lives. She always knows the coolest places to go. She's up on the latest trends. And get this, she's not necessarily a mom. I am so thankful for all my friends in my life who don't have kids, who have not given up on me. Even though I've had to cancel 1,000 times, they are always down for a girls' night. So we all need that in our lives to remind us that we did have lives before our kids. So we've covered the 5 mom friends you need in your life, and now we're going to talk about the 5 mom friends you don't. I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on these because the reality is once someone shows you, once they reveal who they are, you should believe them and keep it moving. All right? Don't linger, don't take time, and I'm not going to do that either with these descriptions. First up is Judge Judy. All right, no shade to the real Judge Judy, but this is the mom friend who judges everything and everybody. And the reality is she's really in no position to judge anything. All right, that's the funny part, right? That's the crazy irony of all of this. She's talking to you one week about one friend, and next week she's talking to them about you. So once you discover that, again, like I said, just keep it moving. You don't need that drama in your life. Next up is the one-upper. She is the mom friend who, no matter what you say, no matter what you do, she's always got something to one-up you. And honestly, I think that stems from insecurity. But again, as moms, who has time to figure that out? All right. Next up is the complainer. She is the mom friend who complains about everything. I can't stand this. This is so hard. I hate this. My life sucks. You don't need that because eventually that's going to suck the life out of you too. Next up is the Stepford Wife. I don't know if you guys have ever seen the movie Stepford Wives. I saw it when I was younger and then they did a remake of it. And it's all about women who are the perfect moms, the perfect wives, but they're actually robots. And we have those mom friends in our lives who try to portray to the outside world that their lives are perfect too. And the reality is we know that's not true, but it's really annoying when you have a friend who pretends like it is. Last but not least is the know-it-all. No one likes to know it all at any age, but it's particularly annoying when you're a mom. And there's a difference between providing helpful advice, which is a good thing, and insisting that you're the foremost authority on everything, which is a bad thing. So I hope these tips will help you build, or in some cases rebuild, your mom tribe. Certainly if you have any to add to this list, leave a comment. And don't forget that we're doing a giveaway for Mother's Day. I'm giving away an apronini from my BambiniWare collection. All you have to do if you have Instagram is post a picture in the caption, tell me how you're living your rich life, tag BambiniWare Life, and use the hashtag #TheRichLife. If you don't have Instagram, you can still enter to win. Just shoot me an email at richie@BambiniWare.com. Again, include a picture and tell me how you're living your rich life. And I hope that you guys subscribe too so that you can stay up to date with all of the latest. Until next time, take care everybody.